have you all. And
Thank you. Thank you. We appreciate your faithfulness in being there for us.
well, it's part of my journey to help humanity. So I just have to do what I do at all costs. I had to do what I do. Like I said, I'm just tired. I'm just tired of all these things happening, and I just want to expose and speak the truth so that we can all be healthy and be happy. You see, so we don't need to be lied up about, so many things in life, so many things. They just want to uh control us, they want to kill us, they want to, I don't know. There's so many things that has happened around the world in recent times, but there's also a movement and more people are waking up, and that's a good thing, right? People like us, we are also waking up. Hi Paul, good to see you, buddy. Yes.
Morning, Doc. Good morning, everybody. I'm just looking at a study on one of the big cancer journals.
Yeah.
It's talking about the acidic environment. And here what it says, the study found that the acidic environment helps tumor cells to produce proteins that make them more aggressive.
Yeah.
In the big cancer journal, one of the big cancer journals that all the medical doctors read, are supposed to read. So this was from 2019. So the mainstream medicine knew all about this from
Yeah.
years ago, and I never heard from my medical doctor that my acidic pH could drive cancers. So, like you said, they're covering up the stuff that we need to hear, just to promote the chemo and radiation and the other stuff.
I know. It's kind of disappointing, isn't it? Especially if
Very disappointing.
you find out about the success rate of chemotherapy. Is wow. That's another wow. But anyway, we're not here to hit out at anyone or any institution. We are here more to promote this self-healing device that you can use to have a better, uh, better health, you know. And I've had people who contacted me with cancer, and like there was one from UK, and yeah, it's kind of sad to know because the friend has only been given 1 month to live uh, from cancer. So I said, no, please uh, go get the D178, as soon as possible. Because if not, why not? Right? Because chemotherapy is pretty harmful. And again, you're given 1 month to live. So why don't you try anything? And this thing has been going on for 10 years in Taiwan, not even one single complaint. Until today, it is still registered with the Taiwan FDA. All right, so there must be something good in it. Okay, guys. So with that, thank you so much, and God bless all of you. And thank you for your support. Thank you. Bring more people, help save people around the world. And yeah, Vincente, maraming salamat na everyone. See you all in Manila, Philippines very soon. And yeah, hope and smiles, Vietnam. Hello, my dear sister. Thank you, and God bless everybody. Have a very good evening, and see you all on Thursday if you want to do the business part of it. Okay, so bye bye. Take care, everybody.